Want to be a millionaire? Then here is what to do. Opening shot, a close-up of a computer screen displaying a vibrant, futuristic AI interface. Hey there, YouTube fam. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the exciting world of artificial intelligence, and its incredible potential. Today, I'm going to show you how to leverage AI tools to pave your way to becoming a millionaire. Yes, you heard it right. Buckle up, because we're about to embark on an exhilarating journey. Before we dive in, let's quickly break down the plan. We'll cover 3 key steps to help you unlock the power of AI and boost your chances of achieving millionaire status. Are you ready? Let's do this. Transition to animated graphics representing Step 1, Acquiring AI Knowledge. Step 1, Acquiring AI Knowledge. To harness the full potential of AI, you need to understand its fundamentals. Don't worry, you don't have to become an expert programmer overnight. Start by grasping the concepts of machine learning, neural networks, and data analysis. Online platforms, university courses, and even YouTube tutorials can be valuable resources to get you started. Cut to host sitting at a desk, operating an AI-powered computer. Once you have a solid foundation, explore AI tools that can amplify your efforts. Look for platforms like OpenAI, which offer powerful language models and other AI services. With these tools, you can automate repetitive tasks, gain insights from data, and even create innovative solutions that could become your ticket to success. Representing Step 2, Identifying Lucrative Opportunities. Step 2, Identifying Lucrative Opportunities. Now that you're equipped with AI knowledge, it's time to put it to work. Look for areas where AI can disrupt industries or solve existing problems more efficiently. Start by analyzing sectors like finance, healthcare, e-commerce, and marketing. These industries are ripe for AI-driven innovation. Cut to host holding a tablet, showcasing different AI applications. From developing intelligent trading algorithms to personalized healthcare solutions and targeted advertising campaigns, the possibilities are endless. Think outside the box and identify niches where AI can make a significant impact. This is where you can turn your AI expertise into a game-changing venture. Representing Step 3, Building a Winning Strategy. Step 3, Building a Winning Strategy. This is where your entrepreneurial skills come into play. Once you've identified a lucrative opportunity, it's time to create a solid plan. Research the market, understand your target audience, and define your value proposition. Cut to host pointing at a business strategy chart. Leverage AI to optimize your strategy by gathering insights from vast amounts of data. Use predictive analytics to make informed decisions, fine-tune your business model, and stay ahead of the competition. Remember, a well-executed plan combined with AI-powered automation can significantly accelerate your journey towards financial success. Closing shot, host standing against a backdrop of a city skyline at sunset. There you have it, folks. With the right AI knowledge, identifying lucrative opportunities, and building a winning strategy, you're well on your way to becoming a millionaire. But always remember, success requires dedication, perseverance, and a passion for continuous learning. So, roll up your sleeves, dive into the world of AI, and let it propel you towards the future you've always dreamed of. And as we wrap up this exciting journey together, I want to remind you that AI is not a magic wand that instantly guarantees wealth. It's a powerful tool that, when combined with your skills, dedication, and entrepreneurial spirit, can open doors to unimaginable opportunities. Embrace the possibilities, stay curious, and never be afraid to push the boundaries of what you can achieve. Camera pans out as host walks towards the sunset. Remember, becoming a millionaire is not just about the destination, it's about the growth, the impact, and the incredible experiences along the way. So, seize this moment, harness the power of AI, and embark on a journey that will not only transform your financial status but also shape a future that's brighter for everyone. Thank you for joining me today, and until next time, keep dreaming big and embracing the endless possibilities of AI. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Thanks for watching.